Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. It's an essential tool for anyone seeking a powerful and efficient solution for inflating car tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, and sports balls. With a maximum pressure output of 180 psi, this cordless air compressor offers 5 times faster inflation compared to standard models, ensuring quick and reliable performance. Here you can see us just like screwing in the cord. It's very easy and quick. There you go. Just screw it in. The charging is very, very, very fast. You just use a USB-C. So here we're inflating a flat bike tire. You could obviously see that it's flat. All you have to do is screw it on into the bike, and you set the PSI accordingly, and there's different modes, so you would need to be on the bike mode. And yeah, the PSI should be 36 for this bike tire, and you can see it slowly going up. And the moment that it does hit 36 PSI, the air compressor should turn off, and you should be all set. You can see it slowly going up. And boom, the moment it hits 36, it stops automatically. You don't need to press anything. Just screw it off. You should be all set. There you go. You can see that the tire's not flat anymore. The next thing that we tried it on was the tractor. You can see that it needs to be 8 psi. So we're going to adjust the psi because it was 36 for the bike tire. So we're going to move it down to 8. There you go. You could already see that the tire is 6.5, so it is not that flat, but still worth it to pump it up to the recommended PSI. And the moment that it hits 8 PSI, it turns off automatically, and you're good to go. Here you can see that the ball needs to be 5 PSI. So you just screw it into the sports ball. Over here, we changed the mode because it's not a tire anymore. There we go. We changed it to ball. We made it 4 PSI because we didn't want the ball that pumped up. So we did do it one under the recommended. And you could see the ball starting to inflate automatically. Very, very fast. There we go. You can see the PSI going up. And the moment it hits 4, it stops. You don't need to press anything. And you're ready to use it. It's all pumped up. There is also an emergency flashlight on the compressor. So if you do need to do something in the dark, there's 3 different modes. And you could use the flashlight so you could see. Here we are pumping up a tire. Here you can see the recommended PSI. So you hold the button to turn it on. And we're going to be switching the modes so it's not on a ball no more. We switched it to a car. And we're going to set the PSI accordingly to what it said on the door. And we just press the power button. You tap it. And the moment it hits the PSI that you set it for, it turns off. So this car tire needs to be 36 PSI, and it's 35 right now. And boom.